So after I placed the spheres of life that matters the most for me, now I'll get pictures that goes with the things that I want to achieve and reach. So I'll start with the first book. It has pictures of houses, which I can actually include in the lifestyle. Let's see. Oh my God, the houses are amazing. Oh, this villa, this kitchen. Oh, I love this one. This is the house I want to live in. Anyone wants to come? So I get the sticker. I have the stickers here. And it's so easy. We just peel the back like this. So easy. And I put it behind it. So this is my villa, my future villa. And I put it under the lifestyle. And I go to more pictures. Oh my God, this body. It's for a guy with the six packs. This is, I think I want to include this in my health. But let's check if there is a picture for a woman. Oh my God, this is the body I think I want to achieve. I want to take this picture and put it underneath the health. Let's put a sticker and stick it there. And here is the body I want to achieve and the health. What else? Let's see. Oh my God, there is healthy food. I want to do more healthy food. It's as well part of the things that I want to achieve. Not achieve actually. It's I want to eat healthier. Yeah. So I want to eat healthier food. I think this picture will remind me. But I want to go more vegetarian, so I will pretend that I didn't see the chicken. So let's include it in the health part. Let's see what else we have. Pregnancy and family. Yeah, I want to have kids in the coming, like, I don't know, 3-4 years. I hope my mom doesn't hear me, because she would go crazy. She wants me to get pregnant tomorrow. Not pregnant, of course, get married first. Oh my God. So pregnancy, I think. Not under my hobbies, of course. I'll put it under the family. Let's say married. What else? Fashion, shopping. Oh my God, I wanna do. Sorry? My mom wants me to get pregnant tomorrow. That's wrong. She wants me. No, because the thing is that my mom always telling me how many kids I'm not having by my age, because she's always reminding me, oh, your friends who are in your age have 4 kids or 3 kids by this time, and I'm like, okay, what should I do? So okay, Mom, I'll put it under my. And it's funny because it's under the romance. I don't see any romance part of being pregnant.
Never stop, I'm gonna take it, gonna take it, gonna take it.